Let's go! Going to Korean market to buy some Korean food ingredients. Hot day!
It's hot.
It is hot today.
Yes.
It's like
40 degrees.
Yeah. Even some kids didn't go to school because of the weather.
Yes.
Online class. There you go. 사랑 mart. You know the meaning? That means love mart. Oh, they have kimchi. Kimchi, tteokbokki, and this powder.
Thank you.
Going to the market. Is Shibuya?
Kuya, so...
You have like big one?
Wala.
Wala?
Oo.
Oh, so Philippines Shibuya is only like
Yes.
this. Oh, spring onion.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
36.35 na lang. Hello, my friends.
Thank you. See ya.
Gusto isang
Dami? No dame. Let's go. By the way, I'm making a Korean seafood pancake for them. Grande. I need to halo. Thank you. I got this.
I like that first.
I almost forgot, but
Read the direction first.
I think it's okay. Just do it. 고춧가루. This is 튀김가루. You know, we need to mix them together so that it's gonna be more crispy. Yeah, I'm actually doing this only with this, but you know I love crispy. Some water. Oops. Maybe more water. Like this. The most difficult part, I think. I think I put too much water. It's gonna take long, so like 2 hours maybe. I'm slow cook. I love cooking, but I'm not good at cooking, you know what I'm saying? A little bit for kimchi pancake.
Oh, what's that?
Korean pancake. Have you tried that?
No.
You're gonna try it today. Come back 2 hours later. It's gonna take long. Maybe 1 hour. Gorgeous. Keep maybe half for kimchi pancake. Carrot. So hard. I think it's too much. Yes. So small. Thanks. More. Done. Ready. Ate! How can you do the gas? Make it thin. It's gonna be better. I hate this part. Flipping. Let's try. Ready?
Oh, the fire is too high.
Do you know how to?
No. I don't know.
Not sure if it's good. It looks different. Oh,
It's good. It's done.
I think so. Taste it, and if you don't like it, I'll figure it out. You don't like it?
You don't put any salt like that here.
I bought it from Korean market. It's just salty.
You put a lot?
Just mix it. Okay, now?
Not that. Why are you doing too much at the same time? Let me try. What's this?
Soy sauce, vinegar. You don't like it. You don't like it. It's okay. Really?
Small version.
Okay. She's helping me now. Korean cook.
Easy to lift.
Oh!
Diba?
Smart. Nice.
Tteokbokki?
Package, just put water and that's gonna be it. A little bit of water. Put that one maybe. Ooh, I think I put too much water. Just mix it. That's it. It's a sweet, spicy tteokbokki, but I didn't see that little tomatoes. That's why the smells just like tomato ketchup, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. I've never tried tteokbokki like this. You really like it? or- It's good thing that you don't know the real taste.
The kimchi one is better.
Oh, okay. This one is not good.
It's good. I said better, so it means the original is good.
Yeah. I don't like it. But I made tteokbokki. Doesn't taste good.
You see why I need the sunscreen now?
So hot. I'm in an oven. Public market?
Yes. Black kulamay.
It's like
Water syrup.
sugar syrup.
You wanna try? Let's
But
try
it's
it.
sugar water, right?
Yes.
What's that?
It's mixed fruits.
Oh, I want that.
You don't like the gulaman?
It's too sweet. Yeah. Oh, I like it. It's a little bit sour because I love sour food. Refreshing. You wanna try?
No, it's okay.
What do you usually get when you go?
When I go here, I don't buy things.
I want all the taro flavor.
Taro flavor?
Oh, my
Oh,
favorite. This is sinigang?
The original one.
Okay. Taro.
can
It's not
go to
taro, ube.
Oh, ube. Okay.
You know the little snack? Ube snack?
Ah,
I want this small, like rectangle. And maybe this one. And what else? What do you recommend?
What flavor is this? Extra hot. This? What do you want?
What else? What is it? Oh,
Malaysian? Is it Malaysian?
얼큰한 국물
Korean.
맛 대한민국. I love this one.
Oh, that's seafood.
Yeah, it's so good.
And this is not the original. This is creamy version. This is the
I
original.
love this creamy one. Yum. Ube?
Yes.
Ube fiesta. That is blueberry.
Ube queso. Or do you want pandan?
Oh yeah, I want that.
And, okay. So you this instead of this? This one is 50 pesos. 100.
It's so cute.
This one? You want this?
I'll get
One.
Let's go. Bye. Thank you. I'll come back. Oh, traffic! I might late. 6362.
Yeah.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you soon. Salamat. Bye.
Miss Philippine.
No, Korean. Yeah. Oh my god, I was so excited to have Jollibee at the airport, but actually it's before immigration. So I wasn't able to have it. So instead of that, I'll just eat this one. I don't know, what it was earlier. Leche custard, maybe? Look at this. It's like cheesecake. I don't know. What is this? It's like pudding. This is so good. It's like a cheesecake, but not cheesecake. I don't know what I'm saying. Tip a little bit for my flight. Just left flight.